Hi, I'm Dr. Laetitia Botha and I am the Aesthetics and Skin Cancer Doctor here at Darling Downs Skin Repair Centre. So some of the aesthetic treatments that I do here include some anti-wrinkle injections, PRP treatments, scar reduction and treatment advice for various kind of skin problems. Well, people come with all sorts of problems, but they generally complain about their wrinkles. A lot of them, there's pigmentation that they don't like. Obviously some acne, some of them quite extensive acne scarring from acne as a teenager. Definitely a lot of rosacea, and then a lot of our patients have extensive sun damage on their face from years being in the sun. And I think if cosmetic treatments are very obvious, then you've done too much. It really should just complement your face and just make you look like a natural beauty. So I think if you can see what happened, then you've gone a little bit overboard. So yeah, we try and be very modest in our approach, and definitely just try and enhance some features and sort of take it step by step with some thorough consultation prior to doing anything. Definitely explaining in detail to the patient what exactly it is we're going to do and what to expect and what sort of results they are looking for. So that we can really get that rapport with our patients before just going ahead and giving them a frozen face, which is definitely not what I'm trying to do.